Chewie's been black flagged. Here he comes. Taking people, here he is, Mr. Angry. Look at him. What is this dipstick doing? Why are you braking? Honestly. So anyway, welcome back to the channel everyone, and as you can see, changed the helmet, and where I'm off to today, right, going go-karting. That's right, we're off to do some go-karting. We're off to the Red Lodge, and that is where I'm going. You can see, it started off today, it was lovely blue skies, and we were at the space of 40 minutes, it's turned into that. Look at it, rats. I'm running behind as well. We've got 15 minutes. Sat nav says it's going to take me 19 minutes. So, never been there before, so we shall see. So yeah, this is the new, well, I say the new helmet, but this is my other helmet, my new other helmet that I'm now wearing. Downside with this is I haven't got the battery eliminator fitted to this one. So I'm just going off the GoPro batteries, and so this morning I tried it with the GoPro, sorry about that, the GoPro remote, and here, and pretty much batteries are going to last about 20 minutes. So yeah, chin that off. I'm probably going to fit a battery eliminator to this. I did miss a battery eliminator. So difference with this helmet compared with my other Rage helmet is, let's just adjust that slightly, is this one hasn't got the internal visor. So, where am I going? Yeah, it hasn't got the internal visor, and yeah, the airflow through it, if you come to a standstill, immediately it starts to steam up. So I think I'm going to have to invest in some pin locks. These visors do take pin locks. I think that's what I need to be doing. I've still got the other helmet. I'll still be wearing the other helmet. Got a black visor coming for that one. Swapping out the silver one. Silver one's starting to get scratched now. So yeah, that's what we're up to. But in the meantime, we need to haul arse and get to Red Lodge. Oh my god, why are you braking? Jesus, there's a lorry coming the other way. Oh, there we go. Oh my life, get past that lunatic. Do some close up, get behind the screen. I was flapping as well a bit earlier because I caught the wire, that in the visor. So I'm like flapping because I thought, oh my god, if I've gone and trashed another mic or another GoPro with the USB port there, will not be happy. Right, this corner here, last time I came down here I was with the Centaurians, and I pulled away on here. It must have been diesel on the road or something because the back went out. But that's another story. That's a little Lotus. Check that bad boy. Ambulances everywhere. Oh, very picturesque. Check that out. Hogwarts. Check that out. Here it is. Here it is. Jesus. Sat nav having my eyes out, baby. Oh, stones. Crap. Oh, here we are. Check them out, the banter started already. I'm forming up on the grid. Well, that was epic. There's our team over there. Look at him, there's Chewy, Team 6. Is it going to swap out? This is going to be carnage. Here we go. Good. Don't know how much you're going to see this because we've got this on medium. Let's have a look. Oh, let's see who spins out. Oh, we've got one incident back there. Oh, another one. He's out. Oh. Is that Chewy, is it? Oh my life. Oh, that's Team 6 buggered already. Yeah. Here he comes. A bit of a secret Schumacher, aren't you? Yeah. Super rapid. Let's get round this side. There's Team 6. Check him out. Come on, then. Yeah, slow down you fucking... That's a nice helmet. He's been black flagged. Here he comes. Taking people, here he is, Mr. Angry. Look at him. Oh, stop the engine and everything. Look.
You're out of there.
You gotta do the walk of shame, Chewy.
Walk of shame, mate. Shame.
Boo! You gotta boo him.
Shame.
Oh, it was Triggs.
Shame.
Here goes the checkered flag. Looks like Triggsy's won it. Here they come.
I know, mate. Fuck's sake.
Cool. Triggsy got up to? He first, didn't he? There he is. Beast.
Okay, just read out the results then of your race. 12th place today. Your team, you got a 56.148. That was set on lap 71, that's your fastest lap. Managed grand total of 81 laps today. If I give us a wave from applause, team number 3. Yeah, boy.
Number 3. Who's that?
Too heavy.
Okay then, 11th place today then. Ever so slightly missing out of the top 10 unfortunately, but good effort with your lap time. You got a 57.597. That was set on lap 73. Managed grand total of 82 laps is for team 6. Team 6.
Shoot.
Okay, so getting about the 4th or 5th fastest lap time here, getting in the top 10 as well, so very well done to you guys. You got a 55.383, set on lap 50, managed grand total of 83 laps is for team number 11. Team number 11.
Who's team 11? Who's that?
Put your arm on.
In 9th place, you guys got a 56.072, set on lap 79, managed a grand total of 84 laps. Is for team number 8. Team number 8.
Team number 8. Who's that? no one's owning up. They're like, yeah, I ain't.
Boring teams.
In 8th place, I don't know what quite happened, but you guys got the fast lap time, so I don't know if it went wrong in the pit stop or something like that. You guys are actually the fastest team out there. You got a 53.370, set on lap 49, managed grand total of 85 laps is for team number 7.
Of course, is it?
Who's got the team there? Banner's right on, isn't it?
In 7th place then, you guys got 55.664, set on lap 73, managed grand total of 86 laps is for team 5. Team 5.
Who is it?
Who's team 5?
Who's team 5? Hands up. They're not going to do it, are they? Look. I'm embarrassed. Oh, it's scary down the back, isn't it?
Okay then, 6th place then. Good effort with lap times. You was about the second fastest team out there. You got a 54.153, set on lap 79, managed grand total of 86 laps today. It's for team number 9. Team number 9.
Number 9, Evo.
Well done, Evo. Help yourself,
Okay, getting into the top end of things then, getting in the top 5, you guys got a 54.496, I believe that's got the third fastest lap time, managed that on lap 51, you was on the lead, there's about 4 of you up to second place on the same lap, so it's quite close, managed grand total of 88 laps, it's for team number 2. Team number 2. Okay then, everyone's slightly unfortunately missing out the trophy finish today, but good effort to make it this far up the field, so well done to you guys. You got a 55.061, managed that on lap 63, again with 88 laps total for team number 1. Team number 1.
Team 1.
Okay, so you've got some extra trophies, you can stand up there on a great podium if you want to. You guys got a 4 fastest lap time, you got a 54.323, set on lap 80, managed grand total of 88 laps again, is for team number 4. If you guys like to come up, well done.
Look at the size of it! 50 kilos.
Lewis Hamilton. No wonder.
Come on, Lewis. Come on, Lewis. Come on, Lewis.
Okay then, separated the top 2, I like to say it's close, but it's not, to be honest with you. 4 times by the leaders. You guys got a 55.289, sit on lap 62, managed a grand total of 89 laps. It's for team number 10. You guys up top, team number 10? Yeah.
Team Borden. Team
Okay guys, probably works it out by now, but the winning team, you guys got a 55.145, managed that on lap 77, getting the most laps today, to be honest with you guys, 93 laps total, most completed. It's for team number 12, today's winning.
Oh, here it is. Is that I want a drugs test.
Hey, Natty!
There's no.
Last place.
Hey.
Can last place have the other one?
Triggs, you're not going to get Tony's trophy as well?
Jack that?
Yeah, Jacko.
Oh dear.
No, go Karting was the winner tonight. Yeah, get it for Tony, yeah.
Yeah, he got him first.
See you later, big boy. Well, that's the go-karting all done. Sure, he managed to get himself disqualified, which was fun. I was super slow, Captain Slow, and well, let's get this out of the way. Oh, where am I going? Yeah, if you like the videos, hit that thumbs up. If you want to subscribe, subscribe. And if you want to get notifications every time I upload a video, hit that notification bell. And that, my friends, is Jim Diesel out. Chewy's been black flagged. Here he comes. Take you people, here he is, Mr. Angry. Look at him.